Hey everyone, welcome back to another video with A.M.K Media. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss. How to make money online by selling online courses. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the entire process, from finding your niche to marketing your course effectively. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Finding your niche. The first step in creating a successful online course is finding your niche. Research your competitors and identify gaps in the market. Once you've found your niche, you're ready to move on. Step 2. Course content and structure. Now, it's time to outline your course content. What will your course cover, and how will you structure it? Create a detailed course outline and break it down into modules and lessons. Ensure your content is well organized and valuable to your target audience. Step 3. Recording and editing. You don't need fancy equipment to start. A good quality microphone and a simple video editing software will do the trick. High quality content is key to attracting students. Step 4. Platform selection. Choosing the right platform to host your online course is crucial. Each has its own features and pricing models, so select the one that aligns with your goals and budget. Step 5. Pricing your course. Determining the price of your course can be tricky. Research similar courses in your niche to get an idea of the market rates. Price your course competitively, especially when you're just starting. You can always adjust the price later as you gain credibility. Step 6. Creating a sales page. Your course needs an attractive sales page. Include a compelling headline, detailed course description, benefits, and testimonials if possible. A well-designed sales page can significantly boost your conversions. Step 7. Marketing and promotion. Marketing is where the magic happens. Use social media, email marketing, and content marketing to promote your course. Collaborate with influencers and offer free content as a teaser to attract potential students. Step 8. Launch your course. It's finally time to launch your course. Build excitement with a launch sequence, offer limited time discounts, and engage with your audience through webinars or live Q&A sessions. Step 9. Collecting feedback and improving. After your course is live, pay attention to student feedback. Make necessary updates to your course based on feedback to ensure high satisfaction rates. Step 10. Scaling your business. As you gain experience and a following, consider creating more courses or expanding into other revenue streams like coaching or consulting. Scaling your online course business can lead to substantial income. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money online by selling online courses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your online course journey.